Today, we review the best 5 Parmesan cheeses that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Kraft Grated Parmesan Cheese. The 20 ounces jar of Kraft Grated Parmesan cheese comes with a flavor lock cap to help keep the cheese fresh. It does contain cellulose powder and potassium sorbate to assist with shelf life. It can still be prone to clumping though.
Number 2.
Milanos Parmesan Cheese Jar. Is aged for over 10 months. Milanos grated imported Parmesan cheese comes as 16 ounces shaker top jar. Based in New Jersey, the family manufacturer makes their Parmesan from pure cow's milk. This cheese is gluten-free and does not contain any fillers, although it does contain cornstarch and cellulose to prevent clumping and potassium sorbate for flavor preservation.
Number 3.
Italian Grana Padano. The 1 lb piece of Grana Padano has been aged for over 18 months before being imported from Italy. As an Italian hard cheese, this has a grainy texture with a delicate and fragrant taste. This cheese is vacuum sealed and comes on ice to keep it fresh, which depending on where you live and the time of year.
Number 4.
Cassiophicio 3090 28-month age Parmigiano Reggiano. This 28-month aged Parmigiano Reggiano comes as a 2 lb block which has been air freighted from Cassiophicio Sociale di Borgataro. This is a creamy cheese with a milky finish. This has not been aged enough and there can be a risk of the cheese developing mold during shipping, although it is shipped on ice.
Number 5.
Gourmet Parmigiano Reggiano 24-month top grade. This 2 lb block of 24-month aged Parmigiano Reggiano has a nutty and sweet flavor. This is a vacuum-packed cheese which, depending on the time of year and state, will arrive cold-packed, although a small number of buyers have received this not packaged properly for warmer temperatures.